In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Wix. Setting up taxes is a crucial step in managing your Wix store effectively, and I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Wix's login page. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix homepage, which is where all the magic begins. Next, look for the link that says Wix.com. Website Builder, create a free website in minutes, and give it a click. This will take you directly to the first step in accessing the tools you need. Now your focus should be on selecting the site where you want to set up taxes. Locate the Select and Edit Site option and click it. This will bring up a list of all your sites. Choose the one you'd like to work on by clicking it. Once you're on the selected site's dashboard, you need to navigate to the Settings. Look for the Settings tab. Clicking it will open a wide array of options. Here, you're presented with various features of the site that you can manage. But right now, our goal is taxes. So move your attention to the search box at the top of the Settings page. In the search box, type Tax. This simple search will quickly filter the settings and bring the tax option into view. You'll see it displayed clearly in the results. Click on Tax, and this will direct you to the tax settings page where you can configure your store's tax settings based on your business needs. Once you're on the tax settings page, customization is key. Depending on the region your business operates in, you may have different tax laws and rates. You can specify these rates by entering the necessary information into the provided fields. This ensures your customers see the correct tax applied to their purchase total at checkout. Customizing this page might feel a bit technical, but Wix provides detailed instructions along the way. Additionally, you can consult with a tax professional if you're unsure about the rates or how they should be applied. Take your time, as this is an important step in maintaining legal compliance and providing transparency for your customers. Before wrapping up, review your settings thoroughly. Double-check every entry to avoid any errors. Once you're satisfied with everything, save your changes. These settings will now automatically apply to transactions made on your site, ensuring you're meeting your regional tax obligations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up taxes in Wix, making your online store compliant and user-friendly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Until next time, happy site building!